The top teams in this year's Business House football competitions were rewarded for their efforts at the awards ceremony on Thursday. More in this report.
It was a historic year as the teams were receiving cash awards for the first time in the competition's history. President of the Business House Football Association, Wayne Shaw, was grateful to the sponsors for making it possible.
First, that Business House Football will have given out prize money to the winners of each division in the knockout. Next year we'll increase it, and as for the third year also we'll increase it. So it's good, the sponsorship. We have always been struggling with sponsorship cash-wise, but this 8.4 million that we got from Express Sport has really helped us cover all our expenses, and we could offer the team some prize money.
Shaw, while reflecting on the 2025 season, says he's looking forward to more teams participating in the 2026 season.
It was really a good season. I mean, you see it in the turnout at the games. I mean, the finals was jam-packed, and the football quality was good. And I just want to say congrats to all the winners, and also to the 21 teams that participated. And we're expecting more teams to participate in Business House in 2026.
RJ Arglina Communications Group walked away with the top prize of $150,000 for lifting the Division 1 title. Scotiabank also walked away with $150,000 for winning Division 2. The National Housing Trust pocketed $75,000 for finishing as runners-up in Division 1, while Appliance Traders Limited walked away with the same amount for second place in Division 2. Head coach of the newly crowned Caribbean Cup champions Mount Pleasant FA, Theodore Whitmore, was also honored on the night.
It's always a good feeling when you can honor by anyone, and I just want to say a big thank you to the Kingston and St. Andrew Business House competition for giving me this award tonight.
He was presented with the Abe Alexander Memorial Award for outstanding contribution to football as a player and a coach. Garfield Jones reporting for TVJ Sports.